Ever feel like airlines are playing a sneaky game of surprise? Here's another fee. 1 minute your flight looks like a steal with already expensive flight tickets, and the next, you're slapped with charges for stuff that used to be free. Welcome to Empower Your Journey. This is your go-to spot for the latest travel updates, hacks, and insider tips to keep your adventures stress-free and financially savvy. Today, we're exposing how airline junk fees are squeezing travelers dry and turning what used to be included into pricey add-ons. If you're tired of hidden charges popping up at every turn, stick with us as we break down the latest in carry-on chaos and baggage bait and switch tactics. And if you stay tuned until the end, I'll reveal a nifty tool that can help you dodge those pesky fees for good. Let's start with a classic. The extra fee for your carry-on suitcase. Air Canada, following in the footsteps of United Airlines and others, has removed the free carry-on allowance from basic economy tickets as of January 2025. That means if you're flying on the lowest fare, you're limited to one personal item, a small backpack, purse, or laptop bag that fits under the seat. And if you thought you could sneak that trusty rolling suitcase on board, think again. Any carry-on bigger than your personal item now has to be checked before you even pass through security. Fees kick in at around $25 or about 35 Canadian for the first bag. And if you try to bring an ineligible bag straight to the gate, you're in for a heftier fee of roughly $50 or 65 Canadian on the spot. It's the classic bait and switch. Lure you in with a low ticket price, then hit you with fees for what used to be included. So have you ever been blindsided by an unexpected baggage fee? Drop your story in the comments. Let's commiserate over how ridiculous this is and learn to fly smarter together. But wait, there's more. Airlines are now using dynamic pricing to adjust baggage fees in real time. According to recent reports, airlines are now using high-tech algorithms to adjust fees in real time, based on demand, timing, and even where you pay. That means two passengers on the same flight could end up shelling out wildly different amounts for the exact same service. Take Frontier Airlines, for instance. They can charge anywhere from $50 to $99 for a checked bag, depending on when you pay. And if you wait until you're at the gate, brace yourself for the steepest fee possible. And just when you thought it couldn't get any worse, airlines have found a new way to nickel and dime passengers by rewarding gate agents for acting like the ultimate bag enforcers. Carriers like Spirit and Frontier are known to pay bonuses for flagging any sign of an oversized or slightly overweight bag. It's like they're on a mission to milk every extra dollar from your already overburdened wallet. One major airline CEO even went so far as to call travelers with oversized carry-ons shoplifters. Yes, you heard that right. If your bag tips the scale just a little over the limit, you might just be branded a thief. So what do you think about this fee frenzy? Fair game, or just another clever way for airlines to squeeze extra cash out of us? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk about this wild ride in travel pricing. Next, carry-on size and weight nightmares. Buckle up, because now we're entering the wild frontier of carry-on rules, where size and weight are the bosses of your packing game. Gone are the days when you only had to worry about fitting your bag in the overhead bin. In 2025, airlines have upped the ante. It's not just about keeping your carry-on within the so-called standard 22x14x 9-inch dimensions, because, surprise, there's actually no true standard. Each airline has its own set of size restrictions, and if you're flying with multiple carriers on one trip, you could find yourself caught in a frustrating game of luggage limbo. To make things even trickier, some airlines are now fixating on the weight of your bag like it's a heavyweight championship match, ready to slap you with a fee if you're even an ounce over their arbitrary limit. Take Delta, for instance. They're so serious about their guidelines that even the slightest deviation from those perfect measurements could have your bag flagged. And if you think size is the only culprit, think again. Some carriers like United are stepping up their game with weight checks. Yes, your bag might get measured more rigorously than your daily step count on a fitness tracker. Imagine arriving at the gate only to have a friendly, but not so friendly agent point to a portable scale and announce, "Your bag's too heavy. That'll be an extra fee." And that fee? It can range from a modest extra charge to a wallet-crushing $30 or more, depending on how generous the airline feels that day. But wait, there's more. Budget airlines like Frontier and Spirit are notorious for these surprise weight checks. With dynamic pricing in play, the cost for checking an overweight carry-on can swing anywhere from $50 to $99. It's like playing roulette with your luggage fees. One minute you're confidently striding through the terminal, and the next you're anxiously hoping your bag isn't a little overzealous with its weight. Packing has become a high-stakes balancing act. Every extra pair of shoes and gadget can tip the scales and your bank account in a heartbeat. It's like your carry-on is on a strict diet, and one misstep means extra fees at the gate. So, what do you think of these new rules? Have you ever been hit with a surprise fee or changed your packing strategy to dodge them? So, how do you avoid these wallet-draining surprises? First, always compare flight prices using tools like Google Flights. But here's a twist filter for the total cost that includes carry-on fees. That way, you're not lured in by a bargain ticket only to be hit with a surprise fee at the gate. Next, if you're juggling multiple airlines on your itinerary, pack to meet the strictest baggage policy among them. It's like playing it safe in a game where one wrong move can cost you dearly. And here's a pro tip. Weigh your luggage at home before heading to the airport. Those sizing bins near the gate? Avoid them at all costs. They're like flashing a neon sign to bonus-hungry agents who just love to fine you for any overage. If possible, opt for a carry-on size backpack, preferably a sleek black one that whispers subtle rather than shouting oversized luggage. Now, for the ultimate travel hack, I've created a free, super convenient template that compiles the carry-on size requirements for over 150 airlines worldwide. This isn't just a list. It's your all-in-one cheat sheet with direct links to each airline's carry-on policy page, so you'll always have the most up-to-date information at your fingertips. Whether you're flying with a major US airline, a budget carrier in Europe, or a regional airline in Africa or Asia, this sheet has got you covered. It includes dimensions in both inches and centimeters, making it easy to compare policies no matter where you're headed. Download it now using the link in the description. This is your go-to resource to check airline policies before you pack, ensuring you never face those pesky surprise fees again. No more second-guessing at the airport, no more surprise fees, just smooth, stress-free travel. So, what do you think? Ready to travel smarter and keep your wallet happy? There you have it, airline junk fees demystified. Don't let sneaky charges spoil your travel plans. In short, stay smart, pack light, download the template, and double-check those airline requirements before you fly. Unexpected fees are about as welcome as a crying baby on a long-haul flight, and trust me, no one wants that kind of drama. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button for more down-to-earth travel hacks and real talk about navigating the skies. Thanks for watching Empower Your Journey, where we turn travel headaches into smart, smooth adventures. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.